In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the disk is write protected. Remove write protection from USB pen drive. First thing you're going to do is go here, type in registry editor, and here you're going to go to this path. So first we will go to HK local machine, and then we're going to go to system. So this is system, and then we're going to go to control set 001. So here inside of system, let's see control set. So here you'll see control set 001. Click on it, and here you want to go to control. Click on control. Now once you're here, you want to expand this, and here you're going to add a folder. So right click, new, and key. In this folder we will name it the storage, and then device. So here, I'm not sure what happened. So this is the new key that we made. We're gonna right click, rename, and name it storage device. So let's put it in capital, storage device policies, and then press enter, and then press on your folder. So after you create and rename it, click on it, right click here, new, and if your computer is 64-bit, you can click 64-bit. If it's 32, just click 32. I'll click this one, and here I will basically name this write space protect, then press this. So once you write it down and name it write protect, make sure you click on it twice and make sure the value is 0. Click OK, restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now the second thing you can try is go here, type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and here type in sfc /scan now. And then press enter and wait for it to scan. Once the scan is done, you want to type in this other command, dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Press enter and let it load. So once you're done, you can see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then go here to cmd again, right click, run as administrator, and here you need to type, first thing you're gonna type here, disk part, press enter, and here you're going to type in, so once it loads, here you're gonna type in list disk, and you're gonna find your disks here. So now you're gonna select the disk you're having issue with. So for me it's the disk 2, so I will basically select, actually it's disk 1, so disk 1, I would select disk 1 and then press enter. So here you're gonna type in down this attribute space cleared space, actually type attributes space disk space clear space read only. Write this down and press enter and let it load. After this, you can close this down, restart your computer, and hopefully this should fix your issue.